Complete overview of production management in Working Bee. First thing, click on Manage Products. Now click on Create New Product. Fill in the product details such as product name, product image, standard specification, minimum and maximum quantity, production checkpoints, etc. When you have entered all the details, click on Add Product. Newly added product will be listed here. Just like this, you can add more products. Do the same in Invert section and add products. Now go back to home screen and click on Stock Management. Tap on the material that you had created. Now click on Add Stocks. Enter the stock numbers and press Done. Next click on Summary. Press on these 3 dots to open the additional options and select Add Checkpoints. You can add test results by pressing on Add Test Result button and it will create a testing result. You can do the same in Outward section. Now go to the Storeroom section and tap on Add Item. Enter the product specifications such as name, category, its image, serial number, quantity and certificates. After entering, click on Add Item. After the product is listed, click on it. Same as last time, add stocks and click on Done. Now go back to home screen and click on Order Forms. Select the Order Request form. Now click on Create Order Request. Enter the customer details, delivery address and select the available products. Now click on Generate Order Request. The generated request will be added to the top of the list. Now click on Share Link. To complete their order, customer must fill out this form and click Place Order to finalize the request. Updated request will be displayed on the order form. Once everything is complete, click on Purchase Order. Now press on Create Order Request. Enter the supplier details, select the materials, specify the quantity, and enter the amount. Then, click on Generate Order Request. The purchase order has been listed. Now you can share this link to your supplier. Complete the form and click on Approve. Order request has been finalized and the list has been updated. Afterward, head back to the home screen and click on My Orders. Now press on Add Work Order. Add the requested details such as company name, purchase and delivery date, order number, and select the product. Once it is done, click on Generate. Your work order has been successfully generated. Click on the More option and select Create Dispatch Note. Enter the requested details and head to Select Stocks. Enter the amount of quantity and select the test result. Once it is done, then click on Next. Afterward, it will show in the Dispatch Document form. By clicking on Generate Document, Dispatch Note will generate. Dispatch details are also available in Released section. In the Required Quantity section, click on the product. Now press Add to Production and enter the production quantity. Afterward, click on Done. So the order quantity will change. The same applies to the process of production completion. Next, click on Summary. Now click on Add Production. Enter the production quantity and press Done. Your production details are updated. After that, go to the home screen and click on Test Results. Go to Sample Test Results. Click on Parameter. Previously generated parameters are listed here. For creating new parameter, click on Add Parameters. Enter the specification title and unit. If you want this to have default parameter, then check Make Default. Now press Add. It will create a testing parameters. Now go back and press on Add Sample. Enter the sample details and check the parameters that you need. Once it's done, click on Add Sample. Your sample is created. For generating test report, click on Add Report. Enter the testing results and press Add Sample Test. Afterward, head back to previous screen and press View Report. Here you can see previously created test report. Similarly, add reports in the Sent section. Dispatch and Invert material test reports will be displayed in their respective sections.